Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is your science session. Today we are going to continue the chapter The Earth, Sun, Moon and Stars. Okay? Page number 107. Today we are going to start the topic water. Okay? A large part of our planet Earth is covered with water. Plants, animals and other living things need water to live. As you all know that three-fourths of earth is covered with water and one-fourth of earth covered with land. So plants, animals and other living things means human beings need water to live. Most of the water on earth is found in oceans and seas in the form of salt water. As you all know that three-fourths of earth is water, and it has oceans and seas, and the water of ocean and sea is salty. So it has salt water, and fresh water can be found in ponds, streams, lakes and rivers. A lot of water in the form of snow and ice. Sun. The sun is a big ball of hot gases. It shines brightly and gives us heat and light. What sun gives us gives us sun give us heat and light, and it shines brightly, and it has a it has it sun is a big ball of hot gases. You should avoid looking directly at the sun, as the sun rays can harm your eyes. You never look directly to the sun because it rays are are harm our eyes. Okay, or it's too dangerous for our eyes. Do you know why the sun looks so small even though it is much bigger than the earth? The question is, do you know why the sun looks so small even though it is much bigger than the earth? This is because it is situated far away from the earth. Sun is far away from the earth. That's why sun looks uh, small. Plants and animals need sunlight. As you all know that all living things need air, water, food and sunlight. So plants and animals and living thing needs sunlight. Plants make food with the help of sunlight. Plants make the food with the help of sunlight, that is called photosynthesis. We work and play during the daytime and sleep at night. Okay. Okay. Moon and stars. The moon is much smaller than the earth. It moves round the earth. The moon does not give off its own light. It shines by reflection sun's light that fall on it. On different days we see parts of the moon of different shapes. Okay. The moon is smaller than the earth. Moon is smaller than the earth. Earth is bigger than the moon. Okay. It moves around the earth. Moon rotates round the earth as earth rotates around the sun. Moon take 28 days or 29 days to 29 to 30 days, or you may say 1 month to complete its round. Okay. Or you may say it's complete its rotation. Okay, and earth rotates around the sun and it's take 1 year, or you may say 365 days. Okay, the moon does not give off its own light. Moon has no light. It shines by reflecting sunlight that fall on it. It shines by the reflection of sunlight. It shines the reflection of sunlight that fall on moon. On different days we see parts of the moon of different shape. On different days we see different parts of the different parts of the moon of different shape. In the beginning of the month we see this type of moon, and on the middle of the month on 14 we see complete moon now. Okay, we see a lot of stars in the sky at night. We cannot count the numbers of stars. They are large in size but look small as they are far away from us. Stars are seen in clusters. What are cluster? A group of something in some same things. It's called cluster. Okay, the moon is our nearest neighbor in the sky, and moon is the nearest neighbor of the earth in the sky. Okay, The moon is our nearest. Our nearest means Earth's nearest neighbor in the sky. Okay, and we can see a lot of sky stars in the sky at night. We cannot able to count all the stars. Okay, they are big, but they look small because they are very far away from us. Okay, now move on to page 108. Going to the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man to set foot on the moon. Who was the first man to set foot on the moon? Neil Armstrong. When? In 1969. The spaceship Apollo 11 reached the moon. When he reached the moon? In 1969. Okay, they brought back photographs of the moon. Photographs means pictures. Its soil and rocks. What we have on the in the moon, we have rocks and soil. Due to this space mission, we have learned many things about the moon. Due to this mission, we learned many things about the moon. What we learned? We learned that uh, there is no air or water, thus there is no form of life on the moon. There is no life because there is no air and water on the moon. It is impossible for anyone to live on the moon. We cannot survive on the moon because there is no light and there is no air and water. Would you like to travel to the moon? Will you? Okay. Number of moons. Besides the Earth, the other planets that travel around the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. In solar system we have 8 planets, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets, and Earth is the number third one. Read a book or browse the internet to find out the number of moons each of these planets has. Complete the table given. The table is given on page 109. You have to complete this. Okay. So this is your homework as well. Every planet has its own moon. Earth has only one moon. Okay, Earth has only one moon, and other planets have different number of moons. So what you are going to do? You are going to you can read a book or browse internet to find out the number of moons of different planets. Okay, this is your homework as well. Okay. Discover more. Browse the internet to find out more about the different phases of the moon. You can find different phases of moon on internet as well. The tallest mountain on the moon is called Mount Huygens, standing at 5,500 meters high. It is more than half of the highest of the Mount Everest, the highest mount on the earth. On the earth, Mount Everest is the highest one. On the moon, there is a mountain which called Mount Huygens. Okay, and what is the height of it? It has 5,500 meters. Okay. Now, for today till here, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.